Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So you have your brand new iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max. All you have is last year's hardware, so you should be able to use any tempered glass screen protector or any kind of screen protector for it with the phone. So in this situation, I found one of my old 10R screen protectors, and it's by Case. This is $24 for this one. I've had this around for quite some time, and we're gonna put it on this phone, and it definitely should work. So let's look in here. You've got the things here to help you put it on. I was sitting around, I was getting ready to buy a tempered glass, and then I thought, man, I know I gotta have something around here, and lo and behold, here we are. So I do have white stone domes coming. You know, we'll see how it works with this one. But let's put this on for now, son. Let's get this thing fired up, and let's put it on. Let's clean the glass up. All right. This should be pretty easy. This is a full adhesive screen protector, so it should work pretty good. And it should go on pretty easy. Let's hope. All right, so let's get the dust removals, right? Stickers right here. And then we just this. Here is the glass right here. It's just a nice clear glass. And that is gonna be how we do it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and just keep the camera rolling while I do this. This is nothing more than a tempered glass for the 10R or just any of the iPhones. Use the same glass if you want to. You definitely will be able to. So what OnePlus that this one actually has is that it has a flat screen, so it's a little bit easier to put on. So let's go ahead and pick it up here. And this is just if you just want to have some protection on your phone. I'll fire it up here. Gonna have to lift it up a little bit. Center it. It's always real hard doing this from behind the camera, but let's go down a little bit. And then I turned the screen off so you can see it adhere there. And that's pretty much it, man. It's got the little bubble in the center. It'll start to work its way through. I'm gonna push it up. A lot of people do this right here. They wrap the microfiber cloth around and they do like this. Because you can see it'll push it out real fast. So it's lined up perfectly fine. No bubbles. Nothing under the screen protector. I did pretty good with this one. And then it's centered good enough for me. I just want to make sure it's around all the edge of the screen, and it is. So there it is, man. This was just a tempered glass that I found laying in my bag as I was getting ready to buy a tempered glass, and I found this Cena one here, so that's a good look. Now again, that one is $24. It might be on sale though, you know, I don't know, but it fits the 11, and as it should. Touch sensitivity is going to be good. Everything is going to work just the same. So a quick video on the tempered glass for the iPhone 11. So if you have the 11, the 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, any tempered glass is going to work with them because it's the same body just about. It's your man Jay. I'm out.